Hello! So how to clear my terminal? Actually it's quite clean right now, but I will have now here some output with the ls command, ls dash l. I can do also here a cat to my blah.txt. Okay, now I want to clear all this information from my terminal. I just type, of course, the command clear, and all the information is cleared from you. Actually, it is up here, but it's cleared from my current screen, the one that I'm seeing. Um, let's give you an alternative. Yes, we have one. It's with the command, the Ctrl L, the keyboard shortcut for clearing your terminal. Great.